Good morning, dear students. This is teacher Shubhangi, and we are going to learn bisector of angle. Bisector of angle. How to bisect an angle. We have seen 7 types of angles, right? Zero angle, acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle, all right? Straight angle, reflex angle, as well as what? Last one, complete angle. Complete angle. So we have seen all these types of angles. Now we are going to learn about how to bisect angle. Okay, so let me share my screen with you. Just a minute. So here question number 1 is use the proper geometrical instrument to construct the following angles. Use the compass and ruler to bisect them. Okay? Now here use the proper geometrical instrument means that I have already told you we need compass, we need ruler to bisect the angle as well as protractor. Okay? Now here we need to draw an angle of 50 degree. We need to draw an angle of 50 degree. So how to draw an angle of 50 degree? Let me show you. Okay. Now here, for example, we need to take a ruler. Okay. Now if I'm not having any ruler, just a minute, children. Now, first of all, we need to draw a line using ruler, okay, of any measurement. You can draw a line of any measurement, okay. So for example, I need to draw a line over here. So I will draw a line over here of any measurement. Again, I repeat this, okay. So I will take here point A and here I will take point B, okay, point A and point B. Now, use this protractor, or else you can call it as D. Now you need to put this protractor on this point, okay? On this point, and the line should be, and the protractor should be on this line. See if you see this. Here I have draw a line and see this protractor is exactly on the line. Okay, it is exactly on the line. Okay, now how many measurement we need to take? 50 degree. So count it as, this is 0, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So here our 50 will come. ठीक है, कहाँ से हमको start करना है? 0 से, 0, then 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 50 के बाद यहाँ पे 50 यहाँ पे आ रहा है, तो यहाँ पे हम पॉइंट लेंगे, ठीक है, and then we will join it. Okay, what we will do? We will join it. ठीक है, understood till this how to take an angle? And here we will write what is the degree of this angle? 50 degree. So we'll write it as 50 degree and we will give this point as C. Again, I repeat this. I have drawn a line of any measurement. ठीक है, measurement करने के बाद ये जो point है ना आपका, ये वाला, ठीक है, ये वाला point, ये exactly ये A वाले point पे आना चाहिए, ठीक है, और ये point पे आने के बाद उसका जो line है वो exactly ये line पे होना चाहिए, जो नीचे का जो line है वो exactly इसके ऊपर होना चाहिए. Then लाइन पे 0 है, ठीक है, जो हमने लाइन ड्रॉ किया उसके ऊपर 0 है, then count it as 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and this 50 will come exactly. Then put here a point and draw a line. Okay, join that dot and draw a line. Now here we are supposed to take this rounder. Okay, now here you should take a little distance by your own. आपके हिसाब से आप कितना भी डिस्टेंस ले सकते हो और एडजस्ट करो, ठीक है, उसको adjust it. Okay, now here I have taken little distance. Okay, little distance, and you need to bisect this angle as, ठीक है, यहाँ पे एक आर्क बनाना है, ये एंगल, ये आर्म पे, एंड यहाँ पे एक आर्क बनाना है. मेक एन आर्क ऑन दिस आर्म एज वेल एज ऑन दिस आर्म, ठीक है. यू नीड टू मेक एन arc on this arm as well as on this arm. Now, after doing this, you need to extend. You need to extend it. Okay, you need to extend it. Now, after extending, what you are supposed to do? Put one of the point of your rounder over this side and make an arc. Now, here you are supposed to put another point और disturb नहीं करना है. जितना डिस्टेंस मैंने पहले लिया था आर्क बनाने के लिए उतना ही डिस्टेंस लेना है और join it. Now here we get a point of intersection. जहाँ पे दो आर्क जो है कट करते एक दूसरे को, उसको बोलते हैं point of intersection. Now let's join this point of intersection and this point. ठीक है? Let's join this point as well as point of intersection. Okay, so what you will get? You will get bisector of an angle, and give it name, that is M, or else you can take P, Q, whatever you need it. Understood, everyone? First of all, draw an angle, draw this line AB. Okay, after that, just put this on this line and make an angle of 50 degree and then join it. Now take a little distance by your own and make an arc from on this arm and on this arm as well without disturbing. Now just extend it. Okay, फिर extend करने के बाद एक arm एक जो pointer है rounder का वो यहाँ पे रखेंगे और एक arc बनाएंगे और without disturbing एक arc एक point यहाँ पे रखेंगे और दूसरा arm बनाएंगे. After making this two arc, you will get point of intersection. After getting point of intersection, just join it. This is an angle bisector. Okay, so angle bisector of 50 degree. Angle bisector of 50 degree. Now, show me yours. Show me yours. How many of yours have been completed it? Just show me. Show me how many of yours have been completed it. Harshal, make it closer, beta. Yes, but this bisector is not proper, Harshal. आपने उसको बहुत घोटा है बार बार, ठीक है? It should be sharp. अगर मैं मेरा दिखाऊं तो see. ऐसा आपका डायग्राम होना चाहिए. Exactly sharp. ठीक है? Let's take another example. Okay, let's take another example. Just a minute. Let's take another example. Okay. So another question was what? For example, if we'll take 90 degree, 90 degree is quite easier, right? So we'll take an example of 90 degrees. So for that, I will take, what I will take first, I'll draw a line of any measurement and then I will, give point, for example, P, and this is Q. Okay. Now for 90 degree, what I'm supposed to take? दिस पॉइंट, ये जो आपका ये वाला जो लाइन है, ठीक है, ये वाला लाइन, ये जो पॉइंटर है बीच का, वो कहाँ पे आना चाहिए? आपके पी पे आना चाहिए। एंड जो लाइन है नीचे का, वो भी लाइन में आना चाहिए, ठीक है। ओके, लाइक दिस। ओके, नाउ हियर फॉर एग्जांपल आई नीड टू टेक an angle of 90 degree. So I will take an angle of 90 degree. I'll okay here 90 degree angle. Everyone is able to see the screen? Bhagyashree teacher, are you able to see the screen?
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher. Yes.
Okay. Now here we work. Here an angle is of 90 degree, and we will give point R to this side. Now what I will do, I will take little distance in this rounder. Okay. And then make an arc on this arm. Okay. And make an arm on this arc. ठीक है, हमको डिस्टर्ब नहीं करना है डिस्टेंस को। जितना हम ये इसमें हम आर्क बनाएंगे, उतना ही सेम आर्क हम इसमें भी बनाएंगे, ये वाले साइड में भी बनाएंगे, ठीक है, without disturbing this distance. Now just extend it little more, ठीक है। After that, when you will get this point, just mark it, and here again mark it. Okay, now what you are supposed to do, place one point of rounder over here and make one arc. Again, place one of the pointer of your rounder over here and make another arm. Okay? After making this arc, you will get point of intersection. Okay? After getting point of intersection, let's join it. Okay? From where to where? From this point to this point. Okay? Okay? Then after that, just give this point of intersection as name A. Okay, you can name by any alphabet. So first of all, what we did, first of all, we draw a line, then make an angle of 90 degree, place one of the point of your D on this side and take an angle of 90 degree and make an angle of 90 degree. ठीक है, अगर 50 degree का रहता था तो हम यहाँ पे 50 degree लिखते थे, but this sign indicates that the angle is of 90 degree, this side. ठीक है, now this is 90 degree angle. Now take a little distance in your rounder and make an arc on this side and on this side as well without disturbing this rounder. Then after that, just little bit extend it, place one of the end of this rounder to this side and make an arc over this side. Again, place one of the pointer on this side and make an arc on this side. After crossing this arc, you will get a point of intersection. You'll get point of intersection. After getting point of intersection, just join from this side to this point and you will get bisector. This is known as bisector. What is this PA? This PA is an angle bisector. This PA is an angle bisector. Everyone understood till this? Okay, we'll do another sum. Okay, for example, now we have taken an example of 50 degree means acute angle. We have taken an example of 90 degree means right angle. Now we'll take an example of obtuse angle. So obtuse angle is above 90 degree, right? So we'll take again a line over this side. Okay, now we'll name it as PQ. Now again, the same procedure, but till this, let me know how many of you all have drawn 90 degree, till 90 degree. Show me. Akshata, make it closer, beta. Akshata Mhatre, just make it closer. Make it closer. Show me. Take it closer to your camera. Okay. Dhruvi, show me, beta. Dhruvi, not done yet. Mercy, good. Prathamesh, show me. Aryan, let me see who has done it very nicely. No, beta, it's wrong. Setan, आपको स्पाइसेस वहां से नहीं ज्वाइन करना है, आपको मिडल में से ज्वाइन करना है, वहां से नहीं ज्वाइन करना है. यहाँ पे मेरा डायग्राम देखो, मैंने कहाँ से ज्वाइन किया है? फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट P, जो आपको पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन मिला ना, उसको ज्वाइन करना है फ्रॉम P to this point of intersection, so that you will get point PA, an angle bisector. First of all, draw this line PQ, then take an angle of 90 degree. After taking 90 degree, you are supposed to take little distance and bisect, make an arc on this side as well as on this side, then extend the distance of your rounder somewhat, and then make an arc on this side and place one of the point over here and make an arc, then place one of the pointer over here and make another arc. After making these two arcs, you will get point of intersection. Now join this point of intersection from P to A. Okay, so this PA is an angle bisector. Okay. Please show me your book. Show me your book so that we proceed to obtuse angle. Make it closer to the camera. I can't see. 90 degree वाला show करो. No, it's not proper. Kinjal, not proper. Exactly आपको लेना है point P से. अभी मैंने बताया, दिखाया भी आपको. Exactly point P पे लेना है. P पे लेना है और P को करना है. किसी ने यहाँ से ज्वाइन किया, यहाँ से ज्वाइन किया, एग्जैक्टली यहाँ से ज्वाइन करना है. ओके, नेक्स्ट रिद्धि, एवरीवन शो मी योर डायग्राम. ऐसे ही नहीं बैठना है, शो मी योर डायग्राम. Ananya, show me. Durva, now you are correct, beta. Durva, correct. Very good. Sara, you are wrong. Properly नहीं बनाया है. Sara. हर्षल, right. तो इसको ना, हाँ, आशुतोष ने बहुत अच्छा बनाया. आशुतोष, वेरी गुड बेटा, बहुत अच्छा बनाया. रिया ने भी बहुत अच्छा बनाया. रिया, आशुतोष, वेरी गुड. ऋषभ, वेरी नाइस. अंतरा, वेरी नाइस. वेरी गुड. अभय, nice, good. Then Prince, you are also correct. No, Prince, somewhat mistake you have done. The diagram should be very sharp, beta. ठीक है? Otherwise, it's okay. Hiten, show me. Prince, correct. तो यहाँ पे ना आपका ओवर राइटिंग नहीं दिखना चाहिए डायग्राम में, और पेन तो बिल्कुल भी यूज नहीं करना है किसी ने. No one will use pen for labeling also. Labeling also you should done with pencil, and drawing also should be done with pencil. Okay. Pranjal, show me your notebook, beta. Pranjal. Jaya. Anuj, sit properly. पूर्वेश करेक्ट, बराबर है आपका. Evelyn, you are also correct. Very good. Haripriya, correct. Yes. एवलिन ने भी बहुत अच्छा किया है. अंतरा ने भी बहुत अच्छा किया है. Okay. Now next we are going to learn how to bisect obtuse angle. ठीक है? How to bisect obtuse angle. Okay. Everyone is doing well. Okay. So, but your diagram should be sharp. See, if you observe my diagram, so I have drawn it very sharp. आपको each and every angle भी दिख रहा है, line भी दिख रहा है, bisect हुआ angle वो भी दिख रहा है. ठीक है? ऐसे ही आपको draw करना है. Whenever you are doing construction, your diagram should be very sharp. Okay. Now next is how to draw obtuse angle. How to draw an obtuse angle. How to draw an obtuse angle and how to bisect it. Okay, that we are going to learn. Now here, okay, here we'll draw first of all a line. Okay, line PQ of any measurement that I told you. Draw a line of any measurement. Now, if your D is there or protector is there, just this pointer, okay, place this pointer to this, okay. यहाँ पे आपका pointer आना चाहिए, ठीक है. And this line will be exactly on this line, ठीक है. Now, for example, we need to make an angle of 110 degree. Okay, 110 degree. तो first of all, हम कहाँ से counting start करेंगे? जहाँ पे हमारा जीरो है ना, हम काउंटिंग वहीं से स्टार्ट करेंगे. ठीक है, ये लाइन पे जीरो यहाँ पे है, तो 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110. तो कहाँ पे हमारा 110 आया? यहाँ पे. ठीक है, where are 110 comes? This point. Okay, so first of all, how we'll count it? We'll count it as 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 and 110. Okay, now here we'll join this point and this point P. Okay, and this is, and write down the measurement 110. It's very important to write down the measurement and make a point R. Now we need to bisect it. How will bisect it? So first of all, take a little distance in your rounder. Okay, make an arc, place one of the end on P. Okay, P पे रखना है एक end, and then make an arc. Okay, to this arm, and make an arc on this arm as well without disturbing. ठीक है? Now extend a little distance, extend somewhat to this rounder, and then make an arc from this point. Place one of the point of your rounder over here and make an arc on this side, as well as place one of the point of your rounder on this side and make an arc. Okay, now you will get point of intersection. You will get point of intersection. Okay, after getting point of intersection, just join it. Okay, after getting point of intersection, just join. Join from this point P. Okay, and then join it. So this is your angle bisector and name it as letter M. So how we draw it? So draw and intersection. This is our angle bisector P. And draw angle and to bisect it. So first of all, we'll draw line PQ. We'll take an angle 110 degree. After that, we'll take little distance in the rounder and make arc on these two arm. Okay, then little bit extend the rounder and make an arc on this side and on this side as well. And then doing this will get point of intersection and we will join it. Okay, understood everyone till this? So this is how we will draw an obtuse angle and bisect it. So what is this PM? This PM. Show me your obtuse angle and how you bisect it. Okay. Show me, everyone. Akshata, close, make it closer to the camera. Your angle bisector is not proper, beta. वो angle जो bisector आपने बनाया वो straight नहीं दिख रहा है अक्षता आपका. It should be straight. See if I'll see my screen to you, everyone just see it. First of all, see the line is very straight. If you'll see this line, it is very straight from P to M. I again told you, I have already told you that your diagram should be very sharp. Your diagram must be very sharp. First of all, draw line PQ. आपका डायग्राम इसके लिए कंस्ट्रक्शन करते समय आपका जो पेंसिल है वो बहुत शार्प होना चाहिए. So first of all, draw line PQ. ठीक है, PQ होने के बाद आपको कैसे डिस्टेंस लेना है, कैसे एंगल लेना है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दिस, एवरीवन पे अटेंशन. ठीक है, ये जो आपका पॉइंट है यहाँ इसका डी का, ये एग्जैक्टली इसके ऊपर आना चाहिए. सी, और ये जो लाइन है वो भी एग्जैक्टली इसके ऊपर ही आना चाहिए. ठीक है, आफ्टर डूइंग दिस वी नीड टू टेक एन एंगल ऑफ 110 डिग्री. ठीक है, तो 110 के लिए 110 के लिए we will place our D on this line. Okay, and we'll take 110 degree angle. Okay, so how to get this 110 angle? So first of all, when you place this D on this point, okay, P, and your line are supposed to here, okay, so your counting will start from this side. Okay, so 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110. So here we'll place a 110 point. After placing this, let's join it. Okay, after placing it, just join it. After joining, what is this? 110 degree. Name it as 110 degree. Then you need to take a little distance in your rounder like this. Okay, और फिर आपको क्या करना है, ये राउंडर में प्लेस करने के बाद ओके फिक्स करना है डिस्टेंस को, और एक आर्क जो है वो आपका ये साइड में बनेगा और एक आर्क ये साइड में बनेगा. फिर आपको डिस्टेंस थोड़ा सा एक्सटेंड करना है. एक्सटेंड करने के बाद आपका एक पॉइंट है राउंडर का, वो यहाँ पे आएगा और आप यहाँ से आर्क बनाओगे. एक पॉइंटर आपका यहाँ पे आएगा और आप यहाँ से आर्क बनाओगे, और बनाने के बाद आपको एक पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन मिलेगा. ठीक है, दोनों को कट करने वाले पॉइंट को बोलते हैं इंटरसेक्शन. When both the arc cut to each other, okay, bisect to each other, this is known as point of intersection, and you are supposed to join this point of intersection with this P. Okay, so your line should be very straight, and this PM is nothing but an angle bisector. This PM is nothing but an angle bisector. So this is how we need to draw an angle of 110 degree and how to bisect it. Okay. Now, show me how many of y'all have done this properly. Oh, Mercy, make it closer to camera. I can't see. आपका आर्क बराबर से नहीं बना बेटा. मुझे नहीं लग रहा है वो बराबर आपने बनाया है. I can't see your arc is proper. No, जो आपका आर्क है वो बराबर से नहीं बनाया बेटा, दोनों आर्क. आशुतोष वेरी गुड, करेक्ट. प्रथमेश दिखाओ. बाकी के स्टूडेंट्स सब ऐसे ही बैठे हैं क्या? आपको दिखाना नहीं है बेटा? यस रिद्धि, शो मी योर बुक. Everyone is supposed to do this and show it to your teacher. Good. Good, Riddhi. Shaurya, make it closer to the camera. Amay, make it closer to the camera, beta. Amay Ahirrao, closer to the camera. Yes, correct. Very good. Yes, Amay, very good. Pranjal. Yes, good. Rishabh, show me properly. With pen, you are not supposed to do, beta. Kartiki, very nice. Sarah, show me. Purvesh, good. Harshal, good. Aditi, very nice. A very sharp diagram. Aditi, very good, beta. Ruchi, very nice. Harshal, show me. Ruchi ने भी बहुत अच्छा बनाया diagram. Harshal, very good. This diagram should be very sharp. Yes, very nice. Shrinjal, good. Krutika, good. Yes. Prince, your arc is not proper. You have not bisected properly, beta. Prince, make it more. One more time. अपने हाथ से ऐसा आर्क नहीं बनाना है. हाथ से बने वो आर्क दिखता है क्लियरली, और जब आप राउंडर से बनाते हो वो भी दिखता है क्लियरली. So teacher can identify whether you have made it by your hand or by rounder. Because when you make an arc with rounder, it is very sharp, and we can see this is an arc which is made by rounder or made by hand. So obtuse angle, Haripriya, you are totally wrong. 110 degree obtuse angle पूरा acute angle के जैसा दिख रहा है. That is not 110, Haripriya. मैंने क्या बताया, जब भी आप लाइन पे आता है आपका एक दूसरा लाइन, तो 10 के साथ काउंटिंग करके 90 के बाद आपका 110 आएगा ना बेटा. आपने 110 कैसे लिया है? एक्यूट एंगल बनाया हरिप्रिया, आपका टोटली रॉन्ग है बेटा. लावण्या, शो मी. ध्रुवी राइट. दुर्वा राइट. सार्थक बाइसेक्ट नहीं किया है प्रॉपरली. सार्थक आपने. श्रिंजल, शो मी. आराध्या, करेक्ट. आराध्या करेक्ट. अनिकेत, गुड. अनिकेत करेक्ट है आपका. अनन्या, गुड. कृतिका, गुड. अनुप्रिया. कृतिका, बाइसेक्टर प्रॉपर नहीं दिख रहा है. अनन्या, गुड. अनन्या, शो मी योर. यस. Okay. Now, Anuj, we say sit properly. Don't roam here and there. Where is your uniform, beta? Correct. Ananya, it's proper. Dhruvi, good. Antara, you have not bisect an arc properly. Bisect nahi dikh raha hai properly. One more time, I am showing you how to bisect it. Everyone, please pay attention. Okay, everyone, please pay attention. I am showing you how to bisect it. ठीक है? Just a minute.